Hi and welcome back to Heller's Kitchen. My name is Thorsten Heller and I'm talking today about how our partners and clients can leverage the UtiliHive platform to build data-driven services for the energy transition on top. UtiliHive is integrating all the data sources and UtiliHive is harmonizing the data for you. So our partners or you with your data scientist can leverage the data and build innovative services. When you come to Milan and visit us, then you're also going to meet some of our partners like Netto-Grid, you're going to meet KMD, you're going to meet EnergyWorks and some other partners. And they are all using our platform where we harmonize the data, where we integrate the data, and then our partners, they would deliver data-driven innovation. Netto-Grid as an example, they are building services for disaggregation. EnergyWorks are using the data, using our integration capabilities to provide a modern meter data management solution. And then you have companies like KMD also using the UtiliHive platform, building services on top to optimize your billing and settlement processes. So come to Milan, visit us and our partners and see how you can leverage the UtiliHive platform to build your own data-driven services and innovative solutions. So click on the link below, reserve your spot, and let's meet in Milan to drive the digital transformation together.